kuna makosa kulingana na mimi naona farmers wanafanya.
Okay.
Kufikiria maziwa ndio pesa.
Alright.
Kulingana na mimi my experience, maziwa comes as number 4.
Number 4
in a dairy farm.
So this means there is number 1, 2 and 3.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to see
number 1
yes.
is the cow itself.
The cow itself, okay.
You must have the animal. You must have a cow.
Yeah.
So you cannot get milk if you have no cow.
Okay.
So basically the cow is the foundation of this business.
The foundation, yeah.
Then number 2 is the calf.
The calf, okay.
Because the calf brings the milk.
The milk, yeah, that's true.
Because hata ununue ng'ombe ikiwa inakamuliwa itafika mahali dry.
Yes.
Ama itafika mahali hiyo maziwa ikataliwe na the processes.
The processes.
Imekaa umekamua miaka 2. Sasa that's not business.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
Number 2 is the calf.
Yeah.
So you must make the cow pregnant. Every year they must give you a calf. So that